everyone, it's Lottie here. I thought I'd just give you a quick little rundown of some lovely perennial plants that are perfect for pollinators for this time of the year. Watching all the bees buzzing around, a few butterflies fluttering and lots of other pollinators fluttering around, I thought this would be a great video for anybody out there who are looking to encourage fluttering wildlife and pollinators into their garden. So I'll give you a tour of my favourite top 5 perennials at the moment, which are fantastic for getting those pollinators, those buzzy bees and those fluttering butterflies into your garden. So starting off with Salvia Sensation Pink. I love salvia, and this one's just a little bit different because rather than the deep blue, which is gorgeous, this is the pink, and this does work very nicely in contrast with the deep blue. Bees absolutely love it. They've been buzzing around this all day, which is fantastic. In fact, if I can get in here, there's one working his little magic right now. Hi, Bumblebee. And next to the salvia is Scabiosa. Scabiosa Butterfly Blue. Now, not only do the bees and pollinators love this one, but butterflies actually like this one as well. They like fluttering around, getting that sweet nectar out of the centres. Of course, I couldn't do a video on pollinators without including this good old-fashioned beauty, the Foxglove Digitalis. Bees absolutely love this one. They love crawling up into each individual flower and getting that sweet nectar and pollen out of there. Fantastic plant for sunny borders, but they actually don't mind and prefer growing in shade, partial shade as well. So great way for dressing up a dull and shady corner. Next up, we've got Verbena rigida. Fantastic short dwarf version of Verbena. Lovely deep intense mauve flowers, and looks, as you can see, fantastic blowing around in the summer breeze that we've got going here today. Butterflies absolutely love this one, and of course bees as well. Really striking colour, fantastic. And for a bit of contrast, why not mix it with an orange flower? Trollius goes very well with this one. Now for a perennial with a lovely bit of foliage. Gorgeous euchera. I love eucheras. I use them in so many of my designs when I do them. They're great in a little bit of shade. They're great for giving you colour for most of the year because they tend to hold their foliage for sort of 9 months of the year, 11 months of the year, die off a little bit and then come back properly in the spring. They are fantastic plants, and also when the flowers come out, the bees love buzzing around. They absolutely love the flowers of euchera. It's fantastic contrast, a nice underplanting for some of those taller perennials that we saw earlier. Nice. And lastly, the good old allium. This is Allium Schubertii. What a fantastic variety of allium. They get absolutely massive. Just starting to pop into bud and flower now. They are so beautiful. Add some architecture to your garden borders or your pots. Pollinators absolutely love this one. I like mixing mine with grasses. I did put this on Twitter the other day. I actually like mixing mine with grasses, which is exactly what I've done here in the garden centre to inspire people. I like to mix it with Stipa tenuissima ponytails because I find that they work really well together, especially on a breezy day like it is now. Look at it go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful to you. If you'd like any advice or any particular videos that would answer your questions for me to do, please let me know in the comments down below. Please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video. Of course, don't forget to subscribe because there will always be more videos to come. Thank you. I'll see you next time.